Hey guys, so jumping right into this video, I ended up just tracing the part that goes over your foot with a Sharpie on the material just to give me like an outline of where I need to cut. And then I kind of just winged it. Something about me, y'all should know, anytime I do a DIY project, I kind of just go for it. However it comes out is how it comes out. So as you can see, these lines aren't even perfect, but I just tried to cut it the best I could. So now I'm just going to line it over the slide, and I'm just going to cut along the side just to get it to the length that I need it. And I go ahead and I just start gluing, and I'm really heavy-handed with the glue just because I wanted it to stay. So now I'm taking the very end of the material and I'm just pressing it onto the slide, and I just glue as I go. And I just press the slide on and just keep applying as needed. And then of course, once you apply the material, you can cut how you need it to be. And then now I'm moving on to the next slide, and I just kind of cut the material however, I didn't line anything. So now I'm just lining it up, just trying to figure out where it needs to be cut. Now I'm just going hard with this glue, and I'm just going to press the material onto the slide and hold it and just apply more glue as needed. And yeah, just lay it and press and then trim. Something else that I figured out, if you leave a little bit of material hanging off of the front, it gives it the fluffy effect. You don't want a blunt cut. You want it to be fluffy and you want it to flare out. That's what gives it that cute fluffy fur look. And so yeah, you just kind of fluff it and you get all that excess fur off, and sis, you are good to go. Look at how cute these are. If you like this video, please like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel, you guys. Love you. Bye.